How's it going? Hope you all loving life, having a great day today. Today's video I got a unboxing of a Build-A-Box that I've been putting together. I kind of forget what's inside this thing. It's been at the store for over a month, maybe two, and I just keep adding stuff to it, but I'll kind of see what's in here today. Yeah, I know I got three supers. I got an Audi, a Volkswagen, a Ferrari, 12 protector cases, and a whole bunch of cars. I honestly forget how many I got, so I'm kind of curious myself to get in here. Let's see what we got going on today. First one of 2026. Okay, this one came from the Cars and Cards. Awesome store, by the way. Oh, I see what he did. Okay, yeah, because I was wondering, I had 12 protectors and a bunch of cars. It looks like he put all the cars in protectors, so see what the first one is here. What do we got in this? Oh yeah, see, like, I just ordered, it's just easier to ship, I guess. He put, like, this isn't an expensive card, it's in a protector. Just, instead of having a huge box with a bunch of empty protectors, I guess he put them in, which is pretty cool. This one we pick up. I love the card art on it. Audi R8 Spider 2019. Nice little look on that one. So that's the first guy there. I just like the card art's real nice on this, no? What do you think? I like it. Postcard kind of looking thing. That's the second one we got. Oh, cool. They put like the tape on it to help protect too. It was the Super Treasure Hunt. Oh, here. Let's get this open. Let's see what side the folding is on here. Oops, oh, very cool. Yeah, it helps protect the corners and everything on here. Nice and loose, nothing too crazy. Yeah, and that's an awesome little plus, especially if you get the Super Treasure Hunts. You don't want the cracked little corners down the edge here. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. Oh, yeah. Volkswagen T2. Super Treasure Hunt, if I can get under there. Maybe on the top you can see. There it is. You can barely make it out there. Let me see. There it is. Oh, this thing's so pretty. It's kind of like reminds me of Magnum PI's kind of helicopter in a way. Very nice. Put that back in the color protector here for sure. So there we go. Back in you go. Under here. Two down. Super Treasure Hunt. Oh, I guess this one's a banger for the year. I had one of these already. That was a trade, but let's see what we got here. Ferrari F40 Treasure Hunt. Like I was saying, the one I traded for, I guess the guy found it in the dump bin, so it was kind of all jacked up and bent, so I wanted a good one, and they had a really good price at Cars and Cards, so I picked it up. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. And again, yeah, that's awesome. They got the blue tape, help protect it. Ooh, pretty girl getting out a towel. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, yeah. So here's a nice little symbol. And there she is, sitting doing a wheelie like normal because it's a tight fit with the tires. Sometimes there's a bit of a bulge in the back. I can feel it right here. I don't know if I can't really see it. Oh, these cars are so awesome. But I guess the tires are too wide, so it doesn't quite fit in there like the other regulars. But again, let's see if it helps with the light on here. Nope, that makes it worse. But yeah. And that's the third one. This might take a little longer than I thought, but super happy about getting actually one in really good shape. What else do we got here? Oh yeah, the Audi. Oh yeah. It's a partner up. I got the green one, so now we got a little one to go with it. Oh, that's different. I don't think I've got one with this little thing on the back, but it is what it is. Kind of neat. Let's unravel this beauty too. 84 Audi Quattro Sport. Well, Sport Quattro, I guess they call it. Oh yeah, paint's freaking awesome on these. Just as nice as the green guy. Nice and easy. Oh man, this thing shines. I hope the video picks it up. Let me try this one with the light. I know it makes it worse, but oh man. Oh man. Yeah, let's take this off. But very nice. It's not the same without the Spectra Flame. I'd say it's so nice. Try not to do a lot of descriptions because I just kind of want to try to get through these here to see what I even got, because now it's on to almost the mystery part of it. Oh, I see the one there. I do remember this next one. Oh, so those are the 3 supers that ordered on this one. Empty protector. See, I thought they'd send 12 of these, but it's even better that they're all in the case. And this guy keeps avoiding me everywhere I go. I can't find this anywhere, so I folded. Just bought one because it was so cheap. It was like a couple bucks more than what you spend in the store, so put it in the Build-A-Box. And this beauty, Pulp Culture set. Keep it in the Volkswagen family with the Porsche GT3 RS. This is so nice. 2022 version. Pop Culture. I still might find one on the shelves, but I haven't been able to. I've seen the other sets coming out for Pop Culture, so what the heck, I picked it up. Awesome. On to the next one. Now this is kind of what I forgot what I even ordered here, so let's see what we got here. Ah, very cool. If you saw the other video, oh, we got a couple combis. I don't really collect the combis because there's so many of them, but this one kind of goes along with the M2 chase that I showed in another video. Very cool. I won't take these ones out, but I'm going to take them all out. Again, these aren't expensive. You just shipped them in all these. Here, the Moon Eyes version, cool combi. I got this this one here, the Magnus Walker to go along with the Boulevard one. Just matches the, you know, matchy, like the set. So there's that. I'll try to speed through. Sorry, this is taking a while. Oh yeah, fuck, I forgot about this. The Porsche keychain one, factory sealed. I have like a lot of these. I give them away to a lot of different people. Like, I got friends that work at Porsche and stuff like that. So, and anyone who's got them, different events, I just like handing them out. My one buddy's a mechanic at a Porsche dealership too, and I gave him a bunch just to give to his customers to be nice. Oh yeah. My favorite car. Well, not my all-time favorite, but it's on the list. Sorry, I'll take these out. I'm just kind of doing the unboxing here. For this one here, Audi RS6 Avant. Just want to get all the different colors of those. What else we got? This is cool. I forgot I ordered all this stuff. Next one here. Oh, okay. Another Audi for the collection. Didn't really like to care for the wheels on this one, but the hot wagons. I just love the card art again. Beautiful. Oh yeah, this is nice. Volkswagen Caddy pickup truck. The Surf's Up one. This was the Surf's Up. Yeah, there it is. That one showed up. What else we got here? Oh, jeez, I forgot about these. Oh, man. I got two of these things. I don't know why, but I just like this casting. And this is a treasure hunt, believe it or not. I don't know if it'll show up, but yeah. I forgot about these. I just like these. And I got two because I was going to give one away, because I just like how it's the boat. Kind of on the water, like in the picture. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of a neat thing, so I got two to give one away. What else is in here? Only two more left. Oh yeah, the short card version. This in the full card, but the Mark II GTI, well they just called it Golf, but we'll call it GTI. Short card, very nice. And last in the box. Oh yeah. This one's, I picked this up from Miss Sydney. She collects the Barbies. So, I believe this is like the Ken car. Very neat. So yeah, that's awesome. That's first Build-A-Box I did this year. I totally forgot about pretty much all this stuff. I remembered the three treasures. And yeah, so very cool. I'll do a little close-up on those, but again, very nice. Gotta love this guy. And this guy. And especially this guy. Awesome. Thanks for checking out the unboxing. I was going to do this other one. It was just an order, not part of this Build-A-Box, but an order that was in the post office the same time I showed up. So, I don't know, this video is already at, like, running long, so I'll stop it and I'll pop those open. I think they're just a bunch of boulevards to add on, a lot of the Samba buses, but super, super cool. So, keep loving life. Alright, peace.